This 2026 Entegra Coach Centurion 39N is a Super CRV. It is located in Casselberry, Florida, 32707 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Orlando. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra coach and features Sleeps 5, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bath and a half, rear bath. This 2026 Entegra Coach Centurion 39N is built on a Freightliner Cascadia 116-day cab chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.